Hi guys, you know that in every episode I just try to give you some tips on bonsai of what to do and what's not. Uh, in a very early stage when I started my channel in YouTube, I was really going hopeless, frankly speaking, in that stage no one used to follow my videos. But you know that time can change everything, as like this guy. A hard work of near about 10 years making it a bonsai from a sapling, though till I need more some years to get the fulfillment, I think. Well, thanks to all of my friends and followers for staying close. That I didn't monetize my channel, so it's not the fact to earn money only. I just do bonsai because I can't live without bonsai. Well, thanks again for commenting in the comment box below. And one thing, if you like the video, just give a thumbs up, neither a thumbs down, but it doesn't matter to me. But please don't go without any reaction. And I think that you will suggest this channel to subscribe it to your friends, because I think that you are my dear soulmate. So now today we are going to discuss about pruning. A good pruning makes a bonsai looks good, so we have to know it very well how to prune our trees properly. Now in this Stribelus asper, I just pruned the lower 3 branches, this right one, this left, and it's a back branch. I just pruned these 3 branches, but I didn't prune till now this upper part. I will suggest to prune your trees from the below to the top. If we prune from the top, the cut leaves or sprouts can cover the lower branches, then it can be difficult to select proper sprouts to prune in the lower branches. Now about the sacrificial branch. Take a very good care about the sacrificial branch also, because a very big and healthy sacrificial branch can dry up the upper part of the tree if isn't cut it in proper time. Here in this case I left this branch, this one, as a sacrificial. I will cut it later. Now I just leaving only to thicken the lower trunk line. There is a thumb rule about it. If we leave a sacrificial branch near about 1 meter, it can thicken the lower trunk line near about 1 centimeter, though it can depend on the tree species also. Whatever it is, just always be careful to having a sacrificial branch and to leave it. We will let it grow, but we can't let the upper branches dried up. When we're leaving this branch, it is taking most of the nutrients absorbed by the roots, so the upper branches can be dry for lack of nutrients, so be very careful about it. Now about the pruning, take a very close look on these branches that I didn't prune till now, these upper branches. Always remember that a proper pruning can give a good ramification. Just look at this sprout. Yes, this one. There are many leaves on it. Some are coming this way and some are in that direction. Now if I cut this portion, then the new sprout will grow from here. I mean, it will grow in that direction. But if I cut this way, this portion, then the coming sprout, then the new coming sprout will grow from here, then it will come this way. Then we have to select that, we have to choose that in which direction we want the new sprout will grow. In that case, I need a sprout will grow from here in this direction, but not in the inner direction. So I have to cut here. then the new sprout will grow from here in this direction, but not from the inner direction. So when we will prune our tree, we will surely follow this. Firstly, we have to select where to cut the juvenile branches or the sprouts to get a good ramification. Now take a very close look on that branch of the apex. There are 3 tertiary branches from one node. I think it's look very clumsy, you know. Then what we have to do? We'll just cut the middle branch. We'll cut by a soft scissor or a soft cutter. For that, in future, these 2 branches will make better ramification.